guys, so if you are looking to archive your old Instagram reels, then this video is for you. In this video I'll show you how to archive your reels on Instagram. In this way you can keep your old content in one place without taking up space on your profile. So make sure to watch this video until the end to learn how to archive your reels on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Here you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. After that, you simply have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you have to go to your Reels tab. Now here you guys can see that there are two reels. To archive the reel, you simply have to open up the reel, and then you can see the option of three dots right next to the share button. You simply have to click on this. Now there's an option named as manage. You have to tap on this. Now as you guys can see that the last option from here is of archive. You simply have to click on this, and you have to click on archive again, and after that your reel will be archived. And as you guys can see that only you see the post you have archived. No other person will able to see the archive post. Only you can see this post. You can restore this post anytime according to your preference. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.